Jennifer Taylor, Master Colorist at IGK Salon Miami. I'm going to show you today how to create a gritty textured look using the IGK Texture Collection. I love these products because they leave your hair feeling like a really amazing day at the beach. I'll be creating a messy, beachy rock and roll look. We'll be using Rich Kid Coconut Oil Air Dry Styler, Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray, and Beach Club Paste. All Beach Club products and Rich Kid are salt-free. Rich Kid Coconut oil and aloe vera gives non-crunchy, piecey texture, lightweight hold, tousled, air-dried hair, adds shine, no need to use heating tools. Beach Club Spray, hydrating glycerin, hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrates and creates beach hair. Beach Club Paste, cottonseed oil, rich in vitamin C, hydrates, adds texture, definition, and shine. This is the final look using IGK's Ultimate Texture Collection. It's ideal if you want to create a messy, cool, slightly beachy look. This is actually my go-to hairstyle. I love using these products. They're very versatile. They help make your hair stronger and healthier while creating a very cool look. Thank you for watching.